So, Arsenal 1. Brighton 1. That's the reality kicking in pack for all you top gooners that have chatted absolute nonsense all summer. But don't worry, the Arsenal terrorists is telling you Arsenal were robbed. Henry Talks BS is telling you Arsenal were robbed. Gold Bitch is telling you Arsenal were robbed. Arsenal were robbed. They were robbed. Arsenal were robbed. Do you know what they were robbed of? A proper transfer window. Every single person in a position of power at this football club needs to leave. They need to leave. Every single one of them. They were also robbed today as well. We're drinking the mutant tears. Don't worry though. You can go and watch them free, all twerking their batties. They're all twerking their bums for clubs they don't support. This is where you get real facts. Yeah, we deal with facts about the club. And we're going to drink in these mutant tears. Cheers. Every single person that's been shaking their bum that doesn't support this club, they can jog on. And I'm calling them out all season. Flowers, Henry, Gold Bitch. Arsenal were not robbed today. It doesn't matter how many times you want to gaslight this fan base online, yeah? They were not robbed today. In fact, I take that back. They were robbed today. They were robbed of a second goal. Do you know why? Oh, the German giraffe can't finish a wank. The goal we scored today, very fortunate, by the way. Great finish. Well done to him. Good goal. What are we doing? Declan Rice. Yeah, the second yellow might have been harsh. Why are you trying to be slick? Why are you trying to be slick, bro? Yeah, you've been crap since Aston Villa and Bayern Munich, mate. You were crap in the Euros, and you're still crap. Running around like Declan Couscous. Guy was blowing. He was blowing out of his ass. Yeah, after 10 minutes. This season's a harsh reality check, trust me. Oh, but Lee, you said that last season. Yeah, cool. Atalanta away, sandwiched in between Spurs away and City away. Cool, say less. Oh, Inter away. We got Liverpool, Newcastle away, Inter away, Chelsea away. Good luck. Dusted by Christmas. But don't worry, we've got Raheem the Dream. It's like signing Messi. It'll feel like Messi, these top gooners are saying. It will feel like Messi if we sign Raheem the Dream. Oh, but he's younger than Trossard. Oh, but Trossard's crap when he starts. Okay, cool. What did Odegaard do today? Because it's very easy to pick on Trossard. And yes, he was shocking. He was awful. Absolutely disgusting performance from him today. Man like Odegaard. Man like Odegaard, yeah? This is our captain. Has anyone ever seen Thierry Henry get subbed off as captain for Arsenal as much as this guy? What about Paddy Vieira? What about Cesc? What about Tony Adams? I've never seen an Arsenal captain get subbed so much for dropping stinkers. The creative spark. The creative spark. These men were comparing him to Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne. Cheers. Good luck. Good luck. Transfer window to be proud of, guys. Yeah, transfer window to be proud of. We go down to 10 men, and this man brings on a defender. A defender. Where's Enquiries? I mean, you lot have gassed him up. Where's Enquiries, bro? Take off Trossard to bring Calafiori on. Odegaard had a simple, straight, square pass to put Calafiori clean through on goal. What does he do? Oh, I'll just pass it straight to Lewis Dunk. Bukayo Saka. It's racially motivated. If you call Saka out, shut up. He was shit. He was awful. Odegaard, awful. Our centre-backs today, by the way. 150 yards straight pass, straight through our midfield, straight through them two centre-backs. What is the keeper doing? Oh, but Lee, João Pedro kicked the ball away and he didn't get a yellow. How does that stop us scoring a second goal? How does that stop us scoring a second goal? Arsenal was scary. Flowers has been telling us for 2 years, Arsenal was scary. So if we're that scary, surely against a Brighton team that ain't as good as last season in terms of personnel, manager maybe. I mean, who is this? Who is he? Who is this guy? I think they've got a younger squad than Super Duper Mick, and I think they've got a younger manager. What phase is he in? Phase is he in? You're in Timber today, by the way. You're in Timber's been crap. Every game I've watched this season that he's played, he's been crap. Let's just say it as it is. He's been crap. Why? Because he ain't a fucking left back. Why are you playing a right centre back stroke right back as left back? Why? Thomas Partey was probably the best of a bad bunch in midfield today. What are we doing? What are we doing? What did Martinelli do when he came on? What did he do? Zinchenko. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh lordy. Shame we ain't got Shakhtar away. We could have left him in Ukraine, innit? Missing headers and then having a go at your teammates because you missed the header. Him and Calafiori looking like baby giraffes. Yeah. We better hope and pray that Timber stays fit, even though he was shocking. Because if he plays at left back, we're dusted. Yeah, Declan Rice, well done, mate. Biblical stinker, red card. Mrs. Spurs away. Well done, you absolute twat. Super duper Mick. Super duper Mick. Super duper Mick. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? You take Trossard off to bring on a centre-back to play, to do what? What's he doing? What is he actually doing, bro? If you're going to take Trossard off, which I think he should have as well, fair play, he called the right player because he was awful. Why don't you bring Jorginho on? Shore it up a little bit in midfield, get a little bit of control in midfield because apparently Jorginho can control the midfield, guys. Can't control the ball properly, hence why Tottenham scored against us last season. Hence why he passed the ball straight to Tielemans and then Ollie Watkins dinked the goalkeeper and cost us a title. Yeah. But don't worry, we'll bring on Calafiori instead. Oh, he's got aura. I've seen all the black and white pictures and gifs doing the round. Get out of it. This fan base are the single biggest problem with this club, and I've been calling this since Wenger days. Now, when you lot start getting a backbone and start calling that shit show after shit show, yeah, for what it is, rather than brushing it under the carpet, oh, the referee, we were robbed, listening to Spurs and Man United fans sucking our club off. Yeah, go and watch their videos when their club loses or draws. Different standards, lads. Almost like they're doing it for traction and clout, innit? This manager is not it. However, clip this, yeah? Because none of you lot like it when I'm negative. So how about clip this then? Because I'm being positive on this one. Mikel Arteta is not a fault for that transfer window. Super duper Mick. However, should be calling it out. Raheem Sterling. But he's younger than Trossard. And Chelsea are paying 2/3 of his wages. Nobody cares, mate. This guy could literally drop stinker after stinker, score one goal on loan, and this fan base will have their pants down. 7.5s and 8s out of 10 window. This window's a 0, mate. Sack everyone. Kroenke, fuck off. Yeah. Tim Lewis, jog on. Jog on. Richard Garlick, you can jog on. How the hell you got promoted, yeah, to CEO of this football club is an absolute disgrace. Yeah, after getting rid of Aubameyang, and you sat on all for nothing with Edu, saying, oh yeah, well, I agree, Edu. He's over 30. We can't get money for him. How comes Barca did 6 months later then? Got 12 mil. Should have been sacked then. Instead, he got a promotion. Lord Harris of Peckham. Bro, you're about 90 years old, bro. Just come on, turn it in, mate. Turn it in, fella. Edu. What is man cooking? What is blood cooking? Yeah, salmonella. That's what he's cooking, mate. You've all got food poisoning. That squad has got worse. Long season, guys. Clunk click with the seatbelt. Buckle up. Buckle up. Yeah, buckle up. Spurs away, Atalanta away, Man City away. Liverpool at home, Newcastle away, Inter away, Chelsea away. Buckle up, lads. Buckle up. And every single one of you, yeah? Every single one of you that has chatted absolute BS to me for 5 years, yeah? Trust me. He who laughs last laughs longest. Yeah? And I really wish I weren't laughing because we were that close to 2 flipping titles in a row. 2 titles in a row, that close, yeah? And they serve up Calafiori. Yeah? Norbert. Man like Norbert Neto. I didn't even know his first name. I Googled it. It was flipping Norbert, bruv. What are we doing? Norbert. We signed the wrong pep. Ah, get out of here. We signed the wrong Neto, bruv. Signed the wrong Neto. Yeah, we're fucking shopping at Neto. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Then we're saying Mikel Merino, who's had 47 games missed in 10 years. And now Gabriel Magalhaes falls on top of him in training. We heard this story before because I think it was Fabio Vieira or Smith Rowe fell on top of Tomiyasu in training a couple of weeks back. I think last season, I'm pretty sure, I may be wrong, but I'm pretty sure one of our players, I think it was Martinelli, fell on top of Smith Rowe. What are these men doing in training to be falling on top of another man, bro? Like, what are we actually doing here? But don't worry, we've got Raheem the Dream. Yeah, who's going to do absolutely nothing. Yeah, we're dusted. This season, yeah, I'm going to see a lot of you guys back in the chat going, oh, Leo, I always thought you were negative. Yeah, but you know what? You've been right all along. Fuck off. You're all getting blocked. Every single one of you are getting blocked. Yeah, what? You want to disappear because you got in your feelings. Yeah, we didn't win anything for 4 years, but Lee Gunner kept saying what it is. Yeah, and then you want to come running back when it all goes tits up, which I predicted 5 years ago, by the way. Yeah, 5 years ago, 25th of November 2019, I said this manager will amount to nothing. Yeah, and this squad will win nothing. Fair play, you won an FA Cup, so I got that wrong. However, rip that up, put that in the bin, buy your own squad, do 750 million quid in the process. The process, have a shotgun up, Bosh, have a shot, and win nothing. We're finished. Well done, Man City. Well done, Man City, the only serious club in England. You fully deserve it. Fully deserve it. Well done to you. On that bombshell, I'm out. Kenny Ken's next. He's at the ground. I'm sure he's seething. Jez after that, and then Matty. Then emergency meeting. After that, back-to-back watch-alongs, guys. Back-to-back watch-alongs. Yeah, we're doing Bilbao versus Atleti, and then Valencia Villarreal. Yeah, so I'm here until 11:30. It's currently 5 p.m. Not easy, guys. I've got more work rate than this whole team. Scumbags, sack everyone. Out. Laters.